much fun! I wasn't invited to the party! Well, never mind. I'll arrange my own. I'm going to need this cool sign. And… oh! A Coke bottle! There are so many of them here! I can make a cool table out of them. Wait a minute. You're about to see a magical transformation. Nice! I can put my favorite bear on it. Make yourself comfortable, friend. And help yourself to sweets. They are very tasty. Yummy! Mary's having her own party? Hey! My party should be the best. Let's sing! Oh! Hello? Security! Come urgently! We have violators making noise!
Hello! What happened?
Follow me! They threw a party and it's super loud! It's disturbing me!
One moment! Don't make any noises!
Calm down. How about I pay you some money?
Excuse me? I'm off!